Sakali man ikaw ay mayroon ng ibang minamahal. Kung sakali mang tuluyan ang mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko, sakali man magdusa, ito'y aking matitiis. Maghirap man o maghinapis, baka sakaling mahal mo pa ko. Mahal mo ba ako?
Once again, let's give it up for Mark Anthony Punay. Thank you so much for sharing us your talent. For your information po pala, sige po, picture muna tayo. And for your information po, no, Mark Anthony Punay was third runner-up po nung The Voice Kids 2024. So, nag-represent po siya sa atin noong 2024 na The Voice Kids. And another trivia po, papapanood po natin si Mark Anthony every Sunday, 12 noon sa All Out Sunday on GMA Network. Nakaka-proud po, no? Clap your hands once again for Mark Anthony Punay for sharing his talent. Okay.